In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing business expenses, QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool to help you stay organized. Applying vendor credits is an essential step in ensuring your records are accurate and your bills are up to date. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start managing your finances today. Let's dive into the tutorial. First, start by clicking on Expenses in the left-hand navigation panel. This will take you to the area where all your financial transactions are managed. Once you're there, open the Bills tab. This is where you can view all the vendor bills that have been recorded in your system. Now, to locate the specific bill you'd like to apply a vendor credit to, you can either filter the bills by their status or use the search bar to type in the vendor's name. This feature is especially helpful if you have a long list of bills and need to find one quickly. When you've located the bill, click on Mark as paid for the one that should receive the vendor credit. This will open the bill payment page where you can manage the payment details for that bill. On this page, look for the section that lists the available credits for the vendor. QuickBooks will display any unused vendor credits that can be applied to the bill. Select the vendor credit you want to apply. If you only have one credit available, QuickBooks will process that automatically. However, if there are multiple credits, be sure to choose the specific one you intend to use. As soon as you apply the credit, QuickBooks will automatically reduce the total payment amount by the value of the credit. Double-check this to ensure the adjustment has been made accurately. Next, confirm the payment date and the account details. Make sure everything is correct, as this information will be recorded in your financial history. Once you've reviewed the details, click on Save and Close. This will finalize the process and apply the vendor credit to the bill. Finally, it's always a good idea to review the vendor's transaction list to ensure the credit has been applied successfully. Look for the bill you just worked on and confirm that the credit is reflected. If the credit does not appear, double-check that the credit was created for the same vendor, hasn't already been applied to another bill, and matches the currency and company file you're working with. And that's it. You've successfully applied a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.